Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to return 1 if one of at least one element in the list is 1. Okay, so I have two lists with 0 and 1s. I want to return 1, the value 1, if at least one of the element is 1. Okay, how to do that and why are we doing this? Okay, how to do that I will show it to you in a few seconds. But why are you doing this? Because many times you want to use it this kind of array functions in or as a list to identify a condition is satisfied or not, or 0 and 1s present or not present, such things. And many times you want to check if all of them are 1s or any of them is 1. Okay, at least 1 is 1. Okay, many times we want to return if at least 1 is 1, we return 1. Such kind of operations simplifies very complex formulas. Okay, so such times many times we are wondering how to return 1 if at least 1 is 1, how to check all of them at least in the full list at least 1 is 1. Okay, for that I just give a basic thing you can understand here, how to return 1 if at least 1 is 1 by a very simple method or formula. Use the OR formula and put the whole range. Okay, this one will return if at least 1 is 1, it will return true. Okay, then our we have another step how to change this true to 1, or if it is all of them or zeros, then it will return false. At least 1 is 1, it will return true. Okay, this true or false, how to change it to 1 and 0? Very simple, just apply a double unary operator, minus minus, then it will change to true or false to 1 and zeros. So this way you can change it to, if all of them are 0, you will return with 0. I'll just make it you return with 0. If one of them is 1, you return with 1. Okay, similarly for list 2, it's very simple. Press OR function, use the OR function and pass the whole list inside as an argument. Enter, it will come up with a true or false. You just put a minus minus, then you will get a 0 or 1. Okay, if you change take everything 0, you will return 0. Okay, one of them you put 1, then it is 1. Okay, what if I consider list 1 and list 2 as array of 2 by 10 matrix? Then how to return the same thing? Very simple, do it in the OR function, get a full 10 by 2 matrix array, the range, and enter. It will also come up with the true or false. Put a double, or I'll put it here so that you will see clearly, 1 hyphen 2 hyphen 2 hyphens, double unary operator, you will get a 1. Okay, see, it will also, since one of the element is 1, it will come 1. Okay, let's see how. I'll change this one to 0. What happens? This result changes to 0 because it works with individual list, but this is not changed to 1 0 because at least 1 in this range, full range, is 1. So change this one also 0, this is also 0, this is also 0. Okay, so this way you can use and play with lists and lists of 1s and zeros, and bring the result as at least one of the element is 1 by using the formula double unary OR function. Okay, this will give you, if at least one element is 1, it will return with 1. Hope this video is helpful and clear to you, and use it on your complex array formulas, and it will be very useful. And please subscribe to my channel. Okay, this will help me to upload more fundamentals like this and simpler methods like this to help you on complex operations. Okay, thank you and God bless you.